So a lot of ground has been covered since our last episode. Last time we covered foundation and framing. Since then, we've done all the rough mechanical, electrical, plumbing. We've prepped the exterior for the stucco. We did insulation, we did drywall, and today we're going to be covering the tile in great detail. Let's take a look. Since the last episode, we completed all the rough plumbing for the new master bathroom, including the water supply lines, the drain lines, the venting, and all the fixture locations. Since we're also doing the 2 other bathrooms in this project, we updated the plumbing lines and installed new fixtures. At this stage, planning is everything, because once the walls are closed, changes become much more expensive and time-consuming. Just a quick note, every vanity has a prefabricated cutout that accommodates the water lines and the drain lines. It's important to have your vanities either selected, on order, or on site before doing the plumbing, so that the plumbers can set the water line and the drain lines to the correct height so you don't have to modify the vanity. If you do this step before you have your vanity, one of 2 things has to happen. You're either going to have to open up the walls and relocate the plumbing lines to match the vanity cutout, or you're going to have to modify the vanity, which is going to disfigure it and it's not going to look pretty. Once all the plumbing was done, we completed all the rough electrical throughout the new addition. That includes all the lighting locations, the switches, the outlets, all the dedicated circuits, and wiring for each space, including the bedroom, bathroom, walk-in closet, and the home office. Once that was done, we did the insulation, which helps with temperature control and some sound dampening. From there, we moved on to the drywall, and this is always one of the biggest visual turning points in any project. Once the drywall goes up, the addition really starts feeling less like a construction site and more like an actual home. After drywall is installed, the next step is taping and mudding. This is how we strengthen the joints between the walls and prepare the wall surface for painting. Once the joint compound is applied and dried, we sand it down flat to the wall so everything is nice and smooth. From there, we can apply primer and prepare for painting. But first, flooring. For this house, we're going with a new engineered hardwood in order to make the addition seamless with the old part of the house. We are redoing the whole floor on this side of the house. We removed the carpet in the bedrooms along with the engineered hardwood flooring in the hallway and entryway. And honestly, this is one of my favorite parts. When you start pulling up old flooring, you never really know what you're going to find underneath. Sometimes it's bad news, sometimes it's good news, and that good news can be a little bit funny. Underneath the carpet in the bedrooms and the engineered hardwood in the hallways, we found the original hardwood flooring. It's a little bit like construction archaeology. You peel back layers of somebody else's design decisions from the last few decades, and occasionally you find something worth saving. In some situations, the original hardwood floor is in good enough condition to refinish and reuse. For this project, we opted not to keep it and move forward on the new engineered hardwood floor, but on previous projects, we opted for the refinish and added new matching hardwood flooring to make everything seamless. And today we're doing tile. This is where the project starts to really transform into a finished space. We've started tile work in the bathrooms, which is one of the most detail-oriented part of the project. Everything matters here: layout, waterproofing, material cuts, spacing, and the overall finish quality, of course. Tile is one of those stages homeowners get excited about because this is where the design really starts coming to life. At this point, we've completed rough plumbing, electrical, mechanical, all our inspections, insulation, drywall, flooring demo, and the tile is underway. We're officially in the finished stages of the project and getting closer to the final product.